You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this river located in Panama. By the way, if you want to learn more names from Panama, famous places there, stay tuned. I've got more videos in South and Central America. Chagres, the Spanish pronunciation here, Chagres. Chagres el río. Chagres would be the full Spanish pronunciation. Rio is Spanish for river. Rio Chagres, you could say in English pronunciation, how to pronounce Chagres River. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.